So here at Berlinische Galerie, I'm showing a large 3D scale sculpture called Monument for the 308, a chicken type which is especially made to grow fast and to produce a lot of meat. I was researching on the history of extinction, and I came across that dinosaurs actually, and findings of dinosaurs bones were very important in that discussion. And I thought then that actually the chicken itself tells a lot about us and our culture and our relationship to nature. And if we look at our culture at the moment, at our time, I think somehow the chicken or the meat industry is very specific for our relationship to nature, and that's why I chose to blow up this original broiler chicken that I got in Brandenburg 20 times larger into the size of the dinosaurs.
We decided to use the big web printer because the intention of the artist was to make a statement, and the idea we had was to get people's attention by creating something that is really big in terms of the message. The skull is very challenging because it has a lot of very thin structures, so all these little bones in here, if you scale them up, they are rather big, but still it's a lot of very fine detail here, so that was very challenging. I mean, I was kind of proud that we were able to create such a monumental print, and when you look at the details, it's pretty impressive.
Yeah, I'm incredibly thankful for the support of the TH Wildau and also Big Rep.